Today, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen with Google AI Studio. This feature allows the AI to see what's on your display, making it incredibly useful when you need assistance with something visual or want the AI to understand exactly what you're working on. First, open your web browser and navigate to aistudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and sign in with your Google account details. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the AI Studio features and ensures your work is saved properly. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll find several options for navigating through AI Studio's capabilities. Click on Playground. This is where you'll access the interactive environment that allows you to work directly with Google's AI models in real time. Now, you'll need to select the appropriate AI model for screen sharing. Look for Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview and click on it. Keep in mind that the exact model name might vary slightly depending on which version you have installed, but it should be something similar to this. This model is specifically designed to handle screen sharing and visual input effectively. With the model selected, it's time to initiate the screen sharing feature. Look for the Share Screen button and click it. After you click this, you'll need to wait a few seconds while the system loads and prepares to capture your screen. This brief pause is normal as the system sets up the necessary permissions and connections to access your display. Once the loading is complete, a window will pop up showing you the available screens or windows you can share. This might include your entire desktop, individual browser tabs, or specific application windows. Take a moment to choose the screen or window that contains the content you want the AI to see. After you've made your selection, click the Share button to confirm. The AI will now be able to view whatever is displayed on the screen you've selected, allowing it to provide more accurate and contextually relevant assistance. And there you have it, you've successfully set up screen sharing with Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.